Okay, what you're seeing is the tip of a 24-inch level on top of my little patio. So I think we got almost exactly 24 inches. There's Dora out there, forging her way around. Look at how high we go, and I'm walking out here in the snow. Wow, look at those drips. That's pretty cool. Oh, Dora's trying to do her business. The birds are out. It's a little bit calmer. There's the tips of the weave poles. My garden is practically buried, as is the fence. It's pretty funny. It's very quiet. There's no one on the street. Right over there is Timberline. There's Dora. Good girl, Dora.